Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, ay huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang subscribe at ang bell button at maaari mo din itong ibahagi sa iba. Magandang umaga mga bata! Handa na ba kayo ngayon sa ating panibagong aralin? Ano nga? Okay! Dahil handa ka na, bago tayo magsimula sa ating aralin para sa araw na ito, ay kinakailangan natin ng gabay ng ating Panginoon. Kaya ngayon, ay samahan mo ko upang tanggapin ang ating basbas galing sa itaas, galing kay Jesus. Okay ba? Okay, simulan na natin magdasal at manalangin. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, marami pong salamat sa mga biyayang ipinagkaloob mo sa amin sa araw-araw. Gabayan mo po kami sa aming pag-aaral at sa bawat gawaing aming gagawain. Hilumin mo nawa ang sakit na lumalaganap ngayon sa buong mundo at panatilihin mo kaming ligtas sa kapahamakan. Hinihiling po namin ito sa ngalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. So ngayon naman mga bata, ay ihanda natin ang ating sarili sa ating panibagong aralin sa araw na ito. Okay kids, what letter is this? Can you name the letter? Very good. This is letter Y. And what is the sound of letter Y? Can you sound the letter Y? Very good. One more. Let's do it together. Let's say Yi. 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 Very good.
The big Y. Start at the top and make a line down to the right. Then go back to the top and make a line down to the left. Now, make one more line down to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down to the right, down to the left, down to the bottom. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right. Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase y. That's the small y. Start in the middle and make a line down to the right. Then go back to the middle and make a line down to the left. Let's try that again. Down to the right, down to the left. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right.
Today, we will study about letter Y and teacher will show you what are the objects that start or begin with letter Y. Are you ready? Then, sit properly. Very good. Okay kids, this one is kamote in Tagalog and we call this yam in English. Can you say yam? One more. Yam, yam, yam. Very good. Okay, this one kids is hiccup in Tagalog. In English, we call this yawn, yawn, yawn. It is silent W. Can you repeat it? Yawn. One more. Yawn. Very good. Okay, this one kids is a yarn. Can you say the word yarn? One more. Very good. Let's say together. Yarn, yarn, yarn. Very good. Yarn start with letter Y. Look at the next picture. This is delicious and healthy. It's good for our tummy. What is this? Yes, very good. This is Yakult. 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 Yakult start with letter Y. This one is a sea transportation. If you want to travel, you can ride on this. We call this one yacht. 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 What is this? Can you say the word yacht? Very good. Yacht start with the letter Y. Okay, this is also yummy. This is one of our sweet delicacies. What is this? This is yema. 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 Can you say yema? One more. Very good. Yema start with letter Y. Next object, kids. Maybe some of you are confused if I am referring to the object or the color of the object. And yes, Teacher Sandy is referring to the color of the object. So look at the object and can you identify the color of the object? Yes, very good. It is yellow. Yellow. Can you say yellow? Yes, very good. Again, yellow. And the word yellow start with the letter Y. One is a toy. What do we call on this object? Very good. This is yo-yo. Yo-yo. Can you repeat it? One more. Okay, yo-yo start with letter Y. For our first activity, you cross out all the objects that start or begin with letter Y. For our second activity, this is spell test. You will check the correct spelling for the given picture. Mo na ito, tatlong between para sa iyo. Sana nagustuhan mo.
Aralin at natutunan mo. Tama ba? So kapag ikaw ay nakinig at inunawa ang ating aralin, madali mo lamang matututunan ang ating mga aralin. Ang lagi kong iisipin at sasabihin ay laging kaya ko itong gawin. Okay? So dahil dyan mga bata, ako ay magpapaalam na sa inyo. Magandang ay uuwi na, bukas na ulit ay magkikita. Paalam na sa'yo, paalam na sa'yo, paalam na sa'yo, paalam na sa'yo. Paalam na mga bata, bukas tayo ay magkikitang muli. Paalam na!
Thank you.